Hey everyone, this is M Reviews. So excited to be dropping back-to-back content in the next few days, weeks, wherever you're watching. We have a lot of baby items and toddler items, just children items that we're going to be going through. And I did not forget that we're also going to be incorporating other review products just for general household items and also any activities that are kid-friendly that you can do with your child over the weekend or wherever you are. That will be coming soon. So today we're going to be reviewing the Bubble Lawn Mower by Lydaz. It's for ages 3+. So you have to also put in your own batteries. And basically what this toy does, it's just a bubble mower. So it has like lots of bubble fun. You pour bubbles in solution into the reservoir, press the on and off button, assembly only by adult, and it just makes continuous bubbles. So this was gifted to us, probably won't be used right away, but we did get this, and I'm just opening with my handy dandy knife to make things a little bit easier. For this one, I don't think you need a manual based on how the instructions seem in the back, but we're gonna see for sure when we open it up. So when you first open it up, this is how it looks inside. The wheels are not already put on there, so that's something that you're gonna have to put on. And I just dropped them. So just taking out all the parts that came out in that box, okay? So it does come with bubbles. It also comes with this return and replacement card and just information on how to contact them. It comes with some stickers if they want to set up their lawnmower a special way. And then it also comes with 3 sets of bubbles. Since the solution is being poured into it, it looks like you can put whatever bubbles. It doesn't show that it has to be like a specific bubble. I think you can add whatever bubbles that you want. So this is a tool that comes with it to help you set it up. So I was expecting it to at least have like the wheels on, maybe just the handle you'd have to put on, but it looks like it doesn't have those parts to it. So we're gonna have to add all of those. So we can make this an assembly video. So surprisingly, I don't see any instructions in the box. And on the outside of the box, when it talks about battery replacement, from what I'm seeing, there's no instructions on how to actually set this up. So if that is a deal breaker for you, it is not included. But we will see if we can do this. So I guess maybe they thought it was self-explanatory, but I know I always said I don't like using instructions, but doesn't mean I don't need them. So for this, these 2 hinges are going to be at the top, and this is the bottom part. So we're going to push that down, and you should hear it make a secure lock noise. This following is up right next. Excuse my nails, didn't get those done. And you should hear where this makes a snap as well too. So push that. Okay, just gonna pick it up and make sure that's in all the way. Okay, so these are secured in, so that top part is done. The wheels. For the wheels, you put it straight through and now it's on. You just push it down until you hear like a snap. There you go. So I just did it so you can hear the snap. So I guess they didn't include instructions because they felt as though it was not that difficult. I like the option. I like having the instructions and not needing them, but needing them. And not having them is another thing. So this is the mower. That's how it looks when it's set up. So it doesn't tell, like, there's no like label on the wheels to know like, okay, if there's a specific one for the front, the back, but that's just how it is. So back here is where you would take this off and put your batteries in so that you can place the batteries. This right here is just like if you decided to play with the bubbles separately without pouring it into here, you would just use the bubble wands if you wanted to, but this is pretty much set up. So I'm gonna try to show you guys how you would put the bubbles in. So the bubbles would get poured into this reservoir down here. So you take this, pour this down here, and then once you do that and there's batteries in it, you would press this on and off button. Then your child will just take it and just mow around the house, the yard, wherever you want to set this up. So these are just my suggestions in how we assembled the Lydaz Bubble Mower. Let me know if you have any questions, comments, concerns. If you have this at home, how you like it, how it has been over time. Thank you for watching this video. Please stay tuned and subscribe for more.